Hello, second graders, and welcome to our math lesson for the day. Today, we are going to add up to 4 two-digit numbers. Lesson 9.8, and we're on page 441 in our math book. The learning target is add up to 4 two-digit numbers. Now, that means we could add up we could add 3 two-digit numbers, or 2 two-digit numbers, or 4 two-digit numbers. Not every problem is going to have 4. Up to 4 means 2 or 3 or 4. All right, so it says on this one, use any strategy to solve. Now, that's what we've been explaining over the year, is we're trying to show you different ways to do these, and then you pick the one that works best for you. And if your parents are helping you, you pick the one that they can help you with the best. All right? This is not telling you you have to do it this way. I am telling you that you can use any of the ways that we have learned in order to get the answer. All right? There we go. Newton has 19 red balloons, 23 green balloons, 31 yellow balloons, and 17 blue balloons. How many balloons does he have in all? Now, when we read this in a word problem, we are going to underline our question. And then after we've underlined our question, we are going to circle our information. 19 red, 23 green, 31 yellow, and 17 blue balloons. There's all of our information. And it says that we have to answer the question, how many balloons does he have in all? So what I could do is draw pictures. I could do models. Or what could I do? I could say 19 plus 23. 19 plus 23. That would take care of this one and this one. And then I could say 31 plus 17. And that would do this one plus this one. Now, you might think, Mr. Garrett, I noticed something. If I take this plus this, and because I can add in any order, I might want to trade and say the 19 we can add to the 31, and the 23 I could add to the 17. Does that make any difference? You're right. It doesn't make any difference. And the reason is I can add in any order. When we are trying to figure out how many there are in all, that's adding, right? Adding is in all. So let's do this. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 3 plus 4 equals, 3 plus 1 equals 4. 9 plus 3 equals 12, and that's more than 10, so I'm going to do this. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 more is 4. Am I done? No, I'm not, because I have, these are 2 of the balloons, and these are 2 more. So I need to add the answer from this and this. 42 plus 48. Excuse me. 42 plus 48. I'm going to add those. 2 plus 8 equals 10. That's 0. 1 goes up here. 4 plus 4. I'm going to look at my doubles first. 4 plus 4 equals 8, plus 1 more is 9. So how many balloons did he have altogether? 90 balloons. Now, this part here, it says compare your strategy to your partner's strategy. Well, unfortunately, we don't have our partners to work with right now, but if somebody's at home helping you, you can ask them maybe to add a different way and see if you get the answer the same. All right, so up here on Think and Grow, when adding more than two numbers, look at the compatible numbers to help you add. Now, I know, boys and girls, that we've been talking about this since the beginning of the year, and I know that some of us just have it automatically in our brains that that's what we're going to do. So let's just talk about what we're doing and get our answers and talk about our thinking. So this one, we had 3 plus 7. That makes a 10. 10s are easier to add. So I'm going to say 3 plus 7 is 10. Then I add 5 and 2. That's 17. I add the 1 up here. Then I have to just come down the row and say 1 plus 4 is 5. And then I have, 1 plus 4 is 5. And then I have 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 2 more makes 12. Or I can come over here and say 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 7 more is 17. And then I have the same numbers over here. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 plus 2 more equals 12. If my way does not work the same as somebody else's way, then there's a problem. Okay? You can only use ways that get you the right answer. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at this. 26 plus 88 plus 32. What are my compatible numbers here? 6 plus 8, that doesn't look compatible. 2 plus, well, let's see. I could do 6 plus 2. That would give me a double, right? 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 8 is 16. Or 8 plus 2 makes a 10. I personally like to look for 10s because 10s are nice and easy to add to. 10 plus 6 is 16. The 1 comes up here. Then over here I have 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Plus 3 is 14. Okay, let's keep going. I have 60 plus 15 plus 55. My compatible numbers, the numbers that are going to make it nice and easy. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus nothing else equals 10. So the ones column is here, and I take my 10 and I come up here. Do I have any compatible numbers here? Because I can add in any order. Let's see. I have 6 plus 5 is 11. Plus 1 more is 12. Plus 1 more is 13. 130. There we go. I have 77 plus 96 plus 24. I was already looking for my compatible numbers. 7 and 6, that's a near double, but let's look for 10s. Oh, look at this. 6 plus 4 makes a 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. And then I can look and say 9 plus 1 equals 10, plus 7 is 17, plus 2 more is 18, 19. 197. Let's move on. Oh, and see, these were 3 two-digit numbers. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 two-digit numbers. 57 plus 13 plus 33 plus 48. Let's see if we have any compatible numbers here. I have 7 plus 3 makes a 10. 8 plus 3 makes 11. That's one more than 10, right? 8 plus 2 makes a 10 plus 1 more. So I have 10 plus 11. When I'm adding these numbers, I can count all the way up to or I can add up all of this, and my ones are going to be 1. And my 10s, I have 1 10 here and 1 10 here. So I'm going to add a 2 up here. Do I have any compatible numbers here? Let's see. Well, I have a 2 and a 3. That makes 5. Plus another 5. And let's take a look over here. 1 plus 4, that makes another 5. So I have 5 and 5. And 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. I have 89 plus 62 plus 10 plus 51 compatible numbers. Let's look. There they are. I have a 9 plus a 1 makes 10. 10 plus 0 stays 10. But when I add the 2 more, then it's 12. The 2 goes here, and the 1 set of 10 comes up here. Let's see, do I have any compatible numbers on this side? Well, I know that 8 needs 2 more to make a 10. So I can take this and this and this and make that all equal 10. And 6 plus 5 is a near double. Right? 5 plus 5 plus 1 more makes it 11. 10 plus 11 leaves 1 in the ones column for 10 plus 11, and 2 sets of 10. 21. 212 for our whole answer. All right, let's keep going. I have 5 plus 1 plus 6 plus 3. And on the 10 side, 9 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5. Let's take a look here. I don't have any that add up to 10 with just my 2 numbers, right? That's 6. That's 11. 5 plus 3 is 8. Let's see if 3 plus 6 makes 9. And 9, I only need 1 more. Well, look at that. 6 plus 3 plus 1 more makes 10. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Well, let's take a look here. I've got 9 plus 1 is 10. Let's see. I have 7 plus 4. That's 1 more than just 10, so that's 11. 10 plus 11 is 21. Plus 5 more, I have 5 in the ones column. That's 5 and 1 and 0 make 6. 1 set of 10, 2 sets of 10, 265. All right. And as always, boys and girls, if I'm going too fast, then you can pause. You can look back and see it again, or go into the big ideas portion of your computer program on Clever and look at the pages that we're working on. It will give you another explanation on how to do these. Let's see if we can do this. Oh, I've got less than a minute. Which 2 digits in the ones place did you add first? 7, 5. These are the ones places. 6 and 5. The 2 digits I'm going to add first are going to be the 5 and the 5 because they make 10. All right, we are done here. I want you to do pages 445 and 446 and have a great day.